one with numbers equals numbers what is it? No number. So, or is it number? Plus number. I don't know. I'll just guess. Print numbers. Oh, what did it? Oh, okay, it's right, it's right. It's even right. Type these codes into lines tuple. So, okay, this one should be easy because it will be tuple. Wait, it says it is. What is a legal way to turn this tuple 1, 2, 3 into this tuple? Wait, no, that's wrong one. Type this code tuple 1 equals ABC followed by tuple 2 equals 1, 2, 3. Now, what code will produce this output? So it will be tuple 1 equals A. Wait, A, B, C. Okay. ABC followed by tuple 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you do, but they had another tuple, they had tuple 3. Then two. Yeah, come to, but they had tuple 3 to, okay, yeah, I think you do. Where's the, yeah, it is, I think it is. Tuple 3 equals tuple 1 plus, no, plus tuple 2. Right. Okay. Using fruits to what will achieve this input. So Sir,
Yes.
I'm confused for I'm confused for number 8.
What does the question say?
It says using fruits tuple. What unpacking tuple and paint code would achieve this output?
Uh-huh. Have we not done unpacking how to unpack top? Have we not done it?
Wait.
Huh?
Wait.
So that you wait. We've done it now.
Yeah, I remember. Mama,
Okay. They said no training, but you have match on Sunday.
okay.
Go and put that cloth so that you don't take it. Where are you? Oh, ṣe. Tó rán ti múra látago mẹ́fà báyìí. Where's he? Here.
No, ma. I said I have one.
No.
Okay.
You need have training, boy.
Oh,
Have you not declared fruit? But why are you declaring it again? Huh? You don't need to declare it again. Read the question. The question say using it. So you are not supposed to declare it again. So you have forgotten your tuple, how to unpack a tuple. That's what you're just telling me. Hmm? You need to save the code on unpacking a tuple. Simeon,
No. ọ̀la tún lè ní 85. No, àbúrò wọn ní táwọn ti dé Ìlọrin báwọn lọ bá àbúrò wọn. Aláwọn lọ bá àbúrò wọn. He did not know the actual age jàre. Don't close my Word document o.
Yes, ma.
Ẹni á ní etí or she's more than me. I think the brother is 70. And someone is in between them. So the brother is
You just put a space there.
bóyá lọ́ọ̀tà tó máa rí àṣẹ́gun náà ni. Lẹ́yìn mo ń bọ̀ wá rí ní àti àṣẹ́gun.
Simeon, go ahead and print them now to see what you did. If you don't print it, you don't know whether you're correct or not. Is that how it was in the question? Simeon, is that how it was in the question? Check the question. Simeon, your mic is muted now. How do you want me to hear you when you're asking me?
Oh, sorry.
Ah, I was asking, is that how it is in the question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now continue to the next question.
Okay. I'm looking at it when.
Simeon.
Yes, I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it. I try to find out how to do it.
What's that they are facing there? I don't think you need that.
Wait, I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. Sir. I need to tell my mom
Um,
something.
hello, Simeon.
I'm back, sir. So I want to show
What
my
are you
mom.
doing now?
I want to show my mom something.
We need to show your mom something.
Okay, I'm looking at questions.
Simeon, your mic is muted again. But you have tried this one and it didn't work. Why are you still going to try it again? What is supposed to be there? Hmm? Simeon, are you there at all?
Yes, I'm here.
I said, what's supposed to be there? There was a way that we did it that it will show from whatever you start with to the end. How did we do it?
Okay, I did it.
All right. So I think you should save this file as homework. Is it 38?
Jam Jack.
Homework 38 is homework 38, right?
Yes, sir.
And you can you've already hit enter. You would have put something descriptive that is all about tuple.
Blah, blah. Mom,
The name, you would have changed the name. Why are you muting your mic mid class? I don't understand. Why would you be muting your class, muting your mic in the middle of the class?
sorry, sir. Speaking to my mom.
Open a new file. I can open a new editor so that I can introduce some things for today. I'll send it to you in the chat box. So today, the idea I want to introduce is that of set. So far we've seen list, we've seen tuples, and then the next one is also a group of elements. You know about sets in mathematics, right?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Simeon, do you know about mathematics?
I can't hear you. Sir, your voice is cracking.
I see what I'm writing.
Set.
Do you have an idea of the concept of sets in mathematics? Mhm.
Um, mm,
People have not learned anything like that in math.
wait, set in maths.
Yes.
Uh,
A set of elements.
no, no. Well, I don't think we've learned it yet.
Mhm.
I don't think we've learnt it yet.
Okay. Anyway, sets is they are also one of the things in Python that you can use to store multiple items in a single variable. Now, the you know the unique thing about tuple, right? We said tuple is unchangeable. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
And what did you mean by unchangeable? What was the implication of
You
that?
can't
What did
change
you
it.
say unchangeable meant? How? Give examples of ways you can change list, but you can't change tuple.
Um,
Excuse me.
way you can do it
Mhm.
is
But you remember when we compared list to tuple. So what ways can we change list, but without change but we can't change tuple?
we can repeat it. What always come? Uh,
What are the ways we can change? What are the things we can do to a list, but we can't do those things to a tuple?
so my brother is calling me. Yes. What do you want? Yes. It's in class. Yeah? I'm looking in class. Yes, sir. I'm back, sir.
Okay. So I asked a question. What are the ways that we can change a list, but we can't change a tuple?
Um,
Hmm?
um,
This thing is not hard now, Simeon. When you want to change something, it means that whatever was there before, we change to another thing, isn't it? Hmm? Simeon,
bye.
can you
Bye. I
Simeon, can you
can.
hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Said when you want to change something, it means that whatever that thing was before, for instance, the element in position one was apple. You want to change it to banana. You know that you cannot do that for a tuple, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But the only the but you can do it for a list. That was when we even said that if you want to change something, if you must change something, in a tuple. First, convert it to what? You first convert it to what?
Um, into a list.
Hello?
You convert it into a list.
You convert it to a list before you can make any changes on it. That's what we said. We said even as little as adding and deleting, you cannot do that for a tuple. Did you remember when we said that?
Yes, sir.
Uh, there's nothing like append. Not possible. You cannot append, but you can append for a list. So if you want to really append for the tuple that you have to convert it to a list first. Append whatever you want to append, then convert it back to a list. Is that not what we said?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So it's just a basic concept. So now today I just want to introduce um sets, like I said, and the concept of sets. I'm going to just let me just I, I think I'll give you a note that will compare all these things. I hope you still have your notebook.
No, I haven't got a notebook.
Eh?
I
What did
still
you say?
haven't. I still haven't
You
got a
still have,
notebook.
what did
My
you
mom
say?
has,
You still haven't, or you still have it?
mom has been saying she's going to give me one, but she's not gotten me one.
So how about the one that you had before?
Uh, um, I lost it while we were moving.
Hmm?
I lost it while we were moving.
Lost it while you please make sure that you get a notebook. I've reminded you about this notebook since. You should have put, reminded your mom. I'm sure if you reminded her, she would have gotten it for you. If you make it important, you tell her how important it is to you. I'm sure she will get it for you. There's no way she won't get it for you. She will.
Hmm.
I'm sending you an example of a set, a declaration of a set in the chat box. Can you see what I sent? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So are you sure you've not seen anything like this in mathematics? Hmm? When they will
Yes.
say union of a set, intersection of a set, elements of a set. You've not heard that concept before in mathematics.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, that's the set. What do you notice about it? What are the things you notice? What are the things you notice about it compared to how you create a list and how you create a tuple? What do you notice about a set?
He uses what's it called again? Uh, wait, I'm trying to remember what it's called. He
It is
uses.
what?
I'm trying to read something.
Let me help you. It uses curly brackets. Curly brackets. So that's the name of those
Yeah,
kind of
yeah.
brackets. So if you want to compare it with a list, list uses brackets. Tuple uses parentheses, normal brackets, the ones that you know you just do normally. Shift 9 and shift 0. and this one uses um curly brackets. So that's the difference. Anyway, so what? So now, what are the unique properties of a set? I'm going to, like I said, I'm just introducing it. We may not go too far today. So the unique properties of a set. Number one is unordered. So now let me explain what unordered means. You know when you are doing a list and a tuple, right? You can say uh, uh, for instance, if the name of your list is my list, eh, and then you have apple, banana, and cherry. To reference apple, you can do something like my list zero, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. To reference cherry, what would you do if it were a list? What would you do? What would you use? Hmm?
Please repeat the question again.
I said, if you wanted to reference, for instance, let us pretend that you had a list called, you created a list or a tuple called my list. Okay, let's just do list. Then we'll come with, and we know that in that case, tuple and list, they are alike. You have a list called my list, and inside it, you have apple, banana, and cherry in that order, right? And you wanted to print apple. Will you not say print my list zero in square brackets? Don't know what you would do.
Yes, sir.
I now ask a question. If it was still that my list, but you wanted to print cherry, what would you do? What would be inside the square bracket?
Hmm. Um,
What, yeah, go ahead.
um,
Please, I didn't hear you.
I'm thinking
If apple is zero, after zero, what number comes after zero?
one,
And after one, what number comes after one?
two,
So what are you
and
thinking
three.
about now?
Oh, I didn't hear what
Eh?
you said. That's why I didn't hear what you said.
I
That's
said, so okay, so now for cherry, what will be inside the square bracket?
0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2.
No, it should not be 012, it should just be 2. Is it not only cherry that you want? Why are you saying 012?
Oh, okay.
It's just 2. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So, but that is for a list too. And of course, you know that by this time, the same thing applies to a tuple. Now, the reason why you can do that is because both of them ordered. What does order mean? It means that there's a first one, followed by a second one, followed by a third one. I don't know if you understand what I just explained now.
Yeah, I do.
You understand what I just explained? Order.
No.
For something to be ordered, it means that there's something that comes first, followed by something else that comes second, followed by something else that comes third. Do you understand what I'm trying to say now?
Yeah, so.
Okay. Now, I have to explain that because for sets are unordered. That means that for a set, what you are seeing as the first element may not be the first element the next time you come back to that set. Did you get that now? They are
Yes,
somehow
sir.
random. So that's what I just wanted to explain. That what as we are seeing it now, this set that we have in front of us is apple followed by banana followed by cherry. But guess what? If you try to print, maybe we should even try. If you print my set 0, the next time you print my set 0, it may be another element that is there. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's give it a try. So let's print my set 0 maybe 3 times. Let's see if um um okay, let's try that. So go ahead and print my set 0. It's the same square this thing that you use to reference it. Or should we just print my set? Okay, instead of printing my no, what does it say? Okay, it's not subscribable. Sorry. Okay, just print my set. Just print my set. Let's see how it looks. Just print my set. Don't print my set 0. Just print my set. Let's see how it looks. Let's see if it will be in the same order that you created it.
No,
Okay. What did you notice?
that the apple and banana swapped.
Thank you. So that's the concept that a set does not owe you any, does not give any promise that the next time you print it, it will be in the same order that you created it. Do you get it now?
Yes, sir.
So that's the concept of a set. Now, um um what other thing is unique about a set? So let's keep going. Of course, you have seen that they are created with curly brackets, and by now, with this error that you see now, we can't even do my set 0 because we're trying to get an order out of it, which it cannot guarantee for us. So sets are unordered, they are also unchangeable. Eh? However, there's a small but there. Okay. Now, if you remember for tuple, we said that tuple you cannot change the items. You cannot add or remove items from a tuple. Do you remember? You
Yes, sir.
cannot add or delete. Uh-huh. But you can for a set, though a set is unchangeable, a set differs from a tuple in the sense that you can add and remove items from it. Okay, you can add and remove items from it. But let's leave that for a while. We'll come to that later. The one that will now demonstrate is the fact that in set, and this even is even true in mathematics, in a set, duplicates are not allowed. Did you get what I just said?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So let's try an example. Now I want you to create that same set, but this time I want you to do half banana 2 times. You can do apple, banana, cherry, banana. Do you understand?
I should do it in order.
Just create. Yeah, you can do it. Apple, banana, cherry, banana. We want to see. We want to check that concept of duplicates, whether it will. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, now print it. Print my set. Let's see what it will show us.
Yes, sir.
What did you notice?
It does not duplicate.
It does not duplicate. It doesn't allow duplicate. Okay. And that's the same thing in mathematics. Yes, in mathematics, there are set concept of duplicates too. It's also is also there, or not aligned duplicate, is also there in mathematics. Okay, so what are some things that are the same? We've seen that banana and banana, especially when they're in the same lower case, they are exactly the same thing. So let's see some other things that are the same, but not necessarily, they don't necessarily look the same. So I'm going to send you something in the chat box, and you know, I want you to see the concept. I don't know if you'll be able to relate to it, but I'll try my best to explain. Um, so a set can contain different things. Check your chat box. You'll see what I sent. A set can contain different things. Like this one that I just sent to you contains strings. That is apple, banana, and cherry. Those are strings. Then followed by true. You know what true is. What kind of data is true? Do you remember? Do you remember what kind of data is that true or false? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
You don't remember. Hmm? That the ones that we call Boolean variables or Boolean constants. Eh? They were named after the mathematician George Boole.
Okay, sir.
So that's true or false. They are just two values powerful as small as they are or as small as they seem. They are called Boolean or Boolean. I don't know the right pronunciation, but I guess it's Boolean variables, or sorry, constant. Then of course when you create a variable and you assign them to that variable, the variable is a Boolean variable. Okay, so now what did I want? Why did I show you this example? You see that true there, the value true and one are the same. Now one is an integer, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Uh, but now I'm sorry, I don't know if you understand why is it that two and one are the same. Now let me see if I can explain this. Do you remember the concept of binary numbers, binary digits?
Yes, sir.
Have you heard of? So what are the only binary digits that there are?
Okay.
Tell me, what are the only binary digits there are in existence? What are the binary digits? What does binary even
A binary
mean? Hmm?
means
Yes, yes. What does binary mean?
uh, it means
Hmm?
uh,
This is mathematics, so that I was discussing now like this. Binary. The word binary, what does it mean?
it means
Hmm?
where binary is where
Okay, now let me ask you. Um, uh, when we're talking about, do you remember when we're talking about operators in even in JavaScript? We said that there is something called unary operators, and we said that there's something called binary operators. Do you remember?
Mhm.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Does it sound familiar? Uh, so what does binary operator mean? What are the examples of binary operators that I gave you back then? Examples of binary operators. Binary. Binary just stands for two. That's technically what it stands for. Okay, I even wrote it on the screen there, base two. Okay, that's what binary stands for. So get it, take note of it now. Binary means two. Okay, the note for it, yeah, the note is equal two. So anytime you see, just what should come to your mind is two of something. So binary operators is simply an operator that can take two things at a time. For instance, plus can take x, two variables x and b, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So binary means two. Okay, just remember it like that. So in this case now, let's come back to what we're doing here. Base two, binary is that Boolean variables, right? Are within that sense of true or false, and also in mathematics too, base two has only two digits, which is what, zero and what,
Um,
zero and what, zero and one.
zero.
Okay, take note of that too. Only two digits too. Okay, zero and one. And when we talk about computers and we say computers are binary in nature, right? Zero can represent on, can represent off, while one will represent on. So, on, off, white, black, stuff like that. So, in that sense, guess what? Zero in its equivalent in Boolean is false. Okay, did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So for Boolean, zero is an integer, but when you want to translate it to Boolean, it's what? False. And of course, the opposite of false is what?
True.
The opposite of false is what? True.
True.
Thank you. So the opposite of false is true. So that means that um one, which is the only second digit in binary in base two, will represent true. So now I want you to go ahead and print this set. Let's see what it will show us. Print it. Let's see what it will show. Remember to spell it exactly as you created it. Okay. So what did you notice?
It says true to banana, cherry, apple.
So what did you notice anything? Did you notice anything that happened?
That since
Hmm? You didn't notice anything.
that's like
How many elements are in this set? Check when you declared it. How many elements are there? Count. Starting from
one,
apple, count
two,
it.
1, 2, 3, 3,
How many are there?
3,
Only three.
no 4, 4.
Count how many elements are there. Start from apple. Count.
1,
Count like that. They
2,
are all submitted by color.
3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So the remaining ones are not elements.
6. No 7.
Eh?
No 6.
How many are there? There's six now.
6.
I don't know why you don't want to count them. Now count how many got printed.
Is that
How many of them got printed?
how many of them got what?
Printed on the screen. How many of them are showing on the screen? said say
5.
only 5. So you did not notice any difference.
I do.
So what's the difference that you notice?
There's one less.
There's what?
There's one less.
And what is that one that's not there?
1.
One. Why do you think one is not there?
Uh, because
I just explained it less than 5 minutes ago. Why do you think the one was not is not showing?
there's no showing because
Not showing because true and one are the same. I just said it there. Is that not
yeah,
what I
yeah,
said? Zero, false,
yeah,
one, true. That's what I said. That's the reason why. Because true and one, it sees them as duplicates. So it will rather, instead of just like you put banana 2 times, how many bananas did you show? It's not only one that is shown.
yes, sir.
So the same thing, true and the value, the integer one, to it, they are duplicates. So it just picks one and displayed only that one. Then it now display the others that were not the same as it. So the other time, I'm just trying to reinforce the concept of what duplicate. So that's um the whole idea of this thing. Now, one more example, and I think we can call it a day. Uh, just like we said that true is one, so that means that false will be zero. So this example will show just that. So look at your chat box. I sent something.
I need to go eat.
Yes, I said this is the last one. Just paste it and run it.
Instead of showing, yeah, no, instead of showing number, it doesn't show number because they are the same.
It doesn't show the zero, right? Uh-huh.
Yes, sir.
Which one is the zero is the same as which one?
As for as true.
Hmm? As false. One is the same as true.
Oh
Zero is the
yeah,
same as false.
yeah, false, false, it's false.
That's the reason why it's not showing zero anymore. So we'll meet tomorrow, Abby.
Yes, sir.
Or tomorrow class, I think tomorrow class will be by 5, not 6. Since today it was by 6 because I had to. I was not sure when I would get back from work.
Okay, sir.
Hmm? Do you have any questions? You can just call it introduction to set. Okay, discussing set. Okay, discussing set is still fine. Or discovering set. All right. So we will meet tomorrow by 5. That should be 4 your time, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
You too, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.